guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to go over whether you should use a new shoe when painting or an old shoe, and let's get into it. So of course, if you get a new shoe, it makes your life easier. You don't have to do really any prep. They're pretty much good to go when it's a new shoe, like I took Joss'n in my last video. However, cons, right? Depends on the paint. I used some prime paint, and then at the bottom right here is acrylic paint, and I think this is where I went a little wrong. I think you can definitely use acrylic paint, but be careful with how many layers it's gonna chip. I only wore this shoe once and it's already chipping, but just there. It's not chipping anywhere else, which I'm really proud of. Look at it, beautiful, beautiful. So for it just to chip at the end, it's okay. I think it's going, like, I can definitely go back and retouch this. You definitely don't have to paint the bottom. I just did that because I'm extra. Anything in the bottom is gonna wear and tear, right? Think about that. But yeah, anything else is like, maybe it's gonna wear and tear. So pros, you don't have to do any prep time when you're using a new shoe. If you're using an old shoe, and I did do some homework and I was debating whether to paint over these, and I ended up not doing it because, first and foremost, call me shallow, I don't care. I get a lot of compliments every time I wear the shoe, so that's why I don't. That's the only reason why I didn't paint it, right? Because I get so many compliments. I love them, they're pretty comfy. But also you have to think about the materials, right? So this part would have been really easy to paint on. This part wouldn't. It's fabric, right? So I'm not sure if it would actually capture the color over. So that was my hesitation. But if you're gonna use an old shoe, which is totally doable, you just really have to clean it before you paint it. And there's different methods of cleaning it. One thing that I researched was like using vinegar to help clean out your shoes. So just make sure, yeah, you really clean your shoes before painting. Either way you go, it's pretty good. Like I said in my last video, I went with a new shoe because, first of all, it was already all pleather, ready to go, but also Target had a sale. I'm a sucker for sales, and good old Target. And also these were from Target. These were plain and brown like I showed in the last video, but either way you go, just make sure you clean it and then be careful with the layers. I think now, looking at this part, you can see some cracking. It just depends how many layers you're putting. I don't think I put too many layers. I think I only did 2 on the top. This one I did a lot because it's translucent, very shiny color, and that's the only reason why I did a lot. But for it to only chip in the bottom, it's actually not too bad. But all right, that is my video. That's my overview versus old versus new. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I'm just Joss'n. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go do so already. Alrighty, till next time. Bye guys.